On today's tour, we are showing off luxury living in Saraland, Alabama. We have a 4-bedroom custom-built home that will not disappoint. And if the words man cave, workshop, garage mean anything to you, you're gonna wanna make sure you stay till the end. The inside of this home on Celeste Road is absolutely fantastic. There are high-end finishes everywhere you look. Brazilian walnut flooring, exotic granite counters. You can feel the quality and the details in every inch of this home. The outdoor area is fully screened, and in addition to the saltwater pool, there's a brand new liner, as well as an adjacent spa, a covered patio space with a built-in grill and a vented hood. Whether you're into cars, boats, or motorhomes, welcome to the ultimate toy garage, 36 by 50 feet workshop in your own backyard. A beautiful 1,700 square foot space with a 13-foot roll-up door. And in the event that you lose power in this awesome man cave, the whole house generator backs up both the house and the workshop. Thank you for watching today's tour in Saraland, Alabama. I hope you've enjoyed all the beautiful facets of this property. If you would like to schedule your own personal visit, you can give us a call, send us a text, or an email. My name is Matthew Baker with Legendary Realty. We would be happy to set that tour up for you. If you want to see more tours like this on the Alabama Gulf Coast, you can simply hit this button right here to subscribe. And if you want to see more videos that we've already shot, you can check out this playlist right here.